How to fake green line on phone screen. So if you want to fake a green line on phone screen, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store and then install an application which is Designer Tools Pro. So you just need to simply install this application. Once you install, tap and open up the application. And once you open up the application, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that mockup overlay option. Once you tap on it, now you need to tap on portrait and you need to choose the image. Once you choose the image, you need to turn on the option of mockup overlay. Once you toggle it on, now tap on allow and allow the notifications and then toggle on the option of display over other apps. You need to search Designer Tools Pro and then toggle that option on. Once you toggle it on, now go back and then you need to go with settings, and from here you can simply choose the opacity and then the vertical align and the horizontal, and you need to simply do all of these settings. And once you've done, now you need to go back. Now you can see you have the green line on your screen. And that's it. That's how you can fake a green line on your phone screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.